Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Let's draw. Why not? I'm going to draw a parrot. So let's choose the right color for a parrot. Parrots have red, right? Parrots are red. Let's go with red. And what we'll do is just a quick shape of our parrot, something like that. That looks good. And give a kind of a pre-parrot space and a kind of a parrot wing outline like that. And let's give it some tail feathers, of course. Tail feathers are very important for a parrot. And yeah, we're looking pretty good already, I'd say. Right, and then what comes next? Well, let's go ahead and let's give our parrot a beak. Those beaks are pretty dangerous, so you don't want to get your finger in there. Do not go touching strange parrots. Parrots have eyes, they have big eyes. And let's give this parrot a little bit of a jauntiness to it. I gotta make sure I close those. There we go. Looking good, huh? Parrot has feet. Maybe not like that, but close enough, right? The point is not to be perfect. The point is to have fun. And I'm going to make the feather a little bigger here because that just looks better. And same with the tail feathers here. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. And whew, wow, I'd say we're getting pretty close. Next is just the kind of like the decoration, right? Yeah, I'll go ahead and fill in that space right there. Control Z is your friend, especially when you need to correct your mistakes. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and use the fill, and this is where it's going to be fun. We can color it any way we want. So put some green in there, some green there, and how about some red back here, and some red there. And let's go. Of course, we have to have some yellow. Yellow, that looks pretty yellow to me. And don't parrots have blue somewhere? Let's find out. So I get some blue from here, click OK, and blue, and the beak, of course, the beak should be black. Let's go with black beak. There we go. And yeah, that's looking pretty good. Black feet. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. That looks like a parrot. And I'm going to go with whiteness around the eyes. There it is. Cancel. White. That should work. All right. So that was pretty fast, wasn't it? There's my parrot. I think anyone who saw it would say that is a parrot. And that would be right, because that's what it is. My parrot. All right, thanks for watching, and happy drawing.